What's up guys, today's video is on the best dog shower sprayers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Waterpik Pro Shower Sprayer. Waterpik is renowned for its top-of-the-line oral flossing equipment and shower head accessories for human beings. However, their premium pet shower heads are just amazing. This accessory can be used both indoors and outdoors, and users appreciate its adjustable pressure settings to remove the residue of shampoo and penetrate the thickest fur. To make things easier, the curvaceous handle allows you to clean your dog's side as well as the belly and back areas easily. In addition, the sprayer is more quiet than a standard water hose or shower head, providing an unwinding bath time enjoyment for your pet. Number 2. Wondurdog Dog Wash Kits. The dog shower kit comes with everything you need to have an easy and enjoyable bathing experience. It includes an 8-foot stainless steel tubing, which makes it perfect for large dogs that require a larger space to wash. The shower head that has 2 bristles made of rubber works great to scrub with one hand. Additionally, the suction cup holder offers storage for the accessory when not active. Additionally, it can be connected directly to your shower pipe with an adapter, making it easy to change from human to dog shower mode. If you like bathing your dog outside in the summer heat, the attachment can be linked to your garden hose. Number 3. Promise Dog Shower Sprayer. We are thrilled with the fact that this handheld dog shower attachment has an 8-foot stainless steel hose, which makes it simple to thoroughly bathe your dog without putting your back into the process. Users give this product praise for its features, including dual-function sprayers that allow users to switch between water jets and gentle flow, or temporarily turn off the water while you scrub your dog. Number 4. Promise Dog Shower Sprayer. This shower head accessory made for dogs was designed by an engineer as well as a pet owner who needed a more efficient method of bathing his pet. It can be connected to virtually every faucet, sink or shower, and even beyond, and transforms into an adjustable sprayer that has 5 different options. The customers love the convenient switch to turn off and on, as well as the capability to use it in your home or out in the backyard. Number 5. Rinseroo Slip-On Dog Wash Hose. It is designed to be easily slipped onto a sink faucet or shower head for the bathroom, and this pet shower attachment has been designed to be extremely flexible, allowing it to move freely in any direction, making bathing effortless. Some say it even could reduce bath time by half. There are a variety of dog-friendly shower accessories available, and that's why you'll have plenty of choices to pick from. The best option is to go with an attachment that is suited to your preferences, bathing space, and budget. Depending on the place you're planning the bathing of your pup, it is important to make sure that your selection of a pet shower accessory or dog hose connects to your preferred source of water, whether it's the faucet in your bathroom, the shower, or the garden hose. A variety of spray options gives you the flexibility to bathe your dog thoroughly according to the length and size of the fur. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.